Ebusia aha AKUAPEM TV na mesre se ene o first time our channel wesu a we subscribe to channel no na afi no wa hit post notification bell no so se na be ya anytime be drop latest bia no mo san betimi aka na afi no like video no share video no fama afoforo na mo nso nye den amo nso entimi ehu de ekoso our Ghana maimo a medi ba be somo medin e de ohene ba na nkasa na afi yendo so kono yewura sem na nkasa mo no onem se na no da na yekoto aba 2024 abato ye to ya ablekuma north hu be yensensem a isi e de beto dwa na nsen ya se busumya ye wure we July ya ye wo mu ya na yen ko to aba for 19 constituencies a eno na pink sheet a isi e kire se omayira na so omunya sa pink sheet ne fa ka de omo dada no na fe no omatimi declare nipa we winning e wo sa constituency na enam ye ko to aba no e ma results ni pie fefefe nyina enim se eye NDC candidate Ewurabena Aubynn ene timi din kunima eye margin no ye kitu ebi monamum nkunim bi na ba no kwa de presiding officer owo sa constituency no agina mu e declare ese NDC candidate Ewurabena Aubynn ene winning sa battle one person no so na constituency wono na enye si ye ni and rather ene ye PM of parliament onem say ye to aba wi a ese MP na say MP elect no oba parliament na for speaker of parliament no ebetimi inducting into office na for official no dia eye member of parliament no abedane din so a eno eye ebe PM ndra enti ye PM of parliament a na mami ebraso seka ombra na speaker of parliament Alban Sumana Bagbin ye current speaker of parliament ebisa say oh ye mama menembra na ye afi ye swear into office no be kan ye ho and a minority chief whip honorable Anodompre Sawa Reggie MP eso gina say as chief whip and I say minority whip and leader and rather fenuma can say parliament into no whip no aya Anodompre honorable energy now can say speaker of parliament ye dem say ni dem na kwan so an say mamini ba ye no nanka ya inducting into office na afese bisa bia wo ho no na etinye bisa na mom mesre I'll seek your indulgence say you can poto kase no say obetimi speaker betimi ma na kwan a na wetinye bisa nsemfo ba ko mienu bi ana say o ma make comments bi ansa na empo ya induct mamini into office we eno kasa wi ya majority leader eye mama yarga so gina o ka se ye nyina ye nim se mra ye di adwuma e wo parliament house da no e kire se obi ba anase MP ya elected no esese ye inducting into office na fe di bere na meda ne so no kan ho wo efikasi no mu ansana se bi se bu hana comment bi wo ho a be free minority anase majority side no na fa mu di nyina tudwa ona kasa wi ya Anodompre tinjine twan was so speaker of parliament na so seno where they I seek your indulgence. Now can you make comments be and sana ya inducting my men into office. Speaker so any opportunity now they can say emfa into no. Jesus ye ma eye ma me no eba na ye swear into office and sana sa sembisebu o wa it me bisa. When I'm so am a minority APA free parliament or ndra na say dwumedi na aka no nyina no mo gya nyina ma majority say this year no NDC majority na be ye to dead omukita doma awotimi ye bibia nti no minority no APA omu stage workout free parliament house of eje dwumadie ne ma speaker of parliament any NDC amanyo ko no yenko parliament house na hwe de si yenra ye ba they was say be control.
We in the minority want to make a quick comment before the member-elect is sworn in, and I seek your indulgence to do this quickly before, with the greatest of respect, before the member-elect is sworn in, if you may.
Are there legal objections that he intends to raise? What is that? And I don't think that we even want to hear what it is now. We are happy to hear it after the process is consummated. after the process is consummated. So I urge the chief whip on the minority whip to hold his fire. If he could not arrest anything at the Electoral Commission and could not arrest it at the polling station, it is not here this morning that he's going to be able to arrest anything. So I beg you, Mr. Chief Whip, Whip of the minority side, please hold your fire. Let the Speaker swear in the young lady. I know you didn't take her phone number. You can get it afterwards. And then we can have the opportunity to make our normal ceremonial speeches and comments. So I beg you, let's not drag this matter. Let's have the swearing in, and then we can move to comments that both sides of the House may make.
Speaker, I will forever respect you. And the leader also knows that Order 5 is not in ambiguity. It's clear. And those powers of the Speaker cannot be challenged by the majority leader. Speaker, I seek your leave to make a plenary comment, and then I think we can go ahead and do the swearing in. Speaker, I'm at your discretion, and I seek your blessing as a father of this House to give me the opportunity to make a short comment.
Wey ene ko si ya me bo ma bo le tofa dia kire ewo ya ye de kase mu e de ma we na fe no speaker so e de nsem to dwa or the foot to nsem to dwa say sia no to take majority say and this doma omukita parliament house sia no omutimi di ye bibia omupebia na mo speaker e de fatu bi eto wo say e ya ye kaya Jerry John Rawlings time on so anya sa kind of number no some majority to do on Jerry John Rawlings time. Abra na share democracy na sin pen on so nya sa don na mo di assembly or a foot to send to us a don kasia e Ghana for e dia mayen and to me kasia Ghana for their share se mi yetime di ya de pe yetime di ya de bon adibone yetime di ya de panamo obesere se sometime no omo make sure say kan omo timi di sa tumi no eye niama ebe magana for ehun aheamu ebe magana for enye gidie pa ewo eye apan ne mo na sesia so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama also e can the same thing Dana ye swear into office also can say e don kasia Ghana for their money obehwe I make sure so any appointees ni na no ombe som yi na fa dia bodwuma pa e dia bo Ghana na ma chima so etimi adan etimi abanya biye we Ewurabena Aubyn Sumana Bagbin, Speaker of Parliament, Edisa in Futu Semi, Edema, NDC don't casino our Parliament.
You, when you are given this mandate, must act as the father and mother of the nation. So you must have the patience, you must have the tolerance to listen to the other side. I hope and pray that this exhortation from both presidents, His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, will be taken by you. We must allow our colleagues in the minority to have their say. Please, as leaders, you must understand why lions don't live for long. Particularly the male lions don't live more than 10 years. And research has shown why. The female lions don't live more than 15 years. But the tortoise can live for hundreds of years. There's a good reason for that.
News update via Ebetodja our channel so and Ebetodja Ghana Maimono Hana Benyan to so subscribe to the channel now hit on the post notification me and don't also send a time I drop your latest via on Sunday to me Akabi now if you won't hear Kosovo Ghana and Empo I'm on it seminar you have a sumo defeated cases so from it anybody Kasa Hana Besi you message share our next news update. Macron.